Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Tanya and I would be really happy if you can take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So today in this video, as you have read by the title and the thumbnail, I will be talking about something that every CA aspirant goes through, that is the articleship journey. So like if you are about to start or somewhere in between, you will definitely relate to this video, and if you do relate, then like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos and stay tuned. So yeah, let's just get into the main video. The first phase of articleship, that is the initial adjustment. So when we enter the articleship, we enter with all the excitement of starting a career and the nervousness of doing things like we have just read in the books and we have to do it now practically. So the initial time goes in like adjusting in the office culture and the tasks in hand and basically figuring out how to do it. And see, initially it is all about observing your seniors and seeing how they work, and how you can work with them. And so I remember when I initially joined the office, I was just nodding my head and I was saying yes, I understood, yes, I understood, but back in my head it was like all cluttered. And initially you hesitate in asking, like we presume in our mind that itna to hame pata hi hona chahiye tha, but see, the articleship is all about learning. So if you don't question, you would not learn. And that's what I did. I hesitate in asking questions, and when I started to ask, it was all smooth. Initially, if we talk about, this is one of the toughest phase of articleship, because herein you are figuring out the office dynamics and the work culture. And basically you will be meet new people, and it's upon you how quickly you adapt to this environment. And once you get used to it, it is everything will fall into the place and everything is fine. And I would just like to add that don't panic, chill, and you have your seniors over you who will be handling the major tasks. It is you who is going to observe and be in that position someday. So just relax and stay calm. So yeah, let's talk about the next phase of articleship, the second phase, that is the learning curve. So basically now you are settled in the office and you know how to what's the whole work process and whom to report, who are your seniors, and who you have, like there's one go-to person, like you can ask to them. So you know everything, but now comes the time where you have to work technically. So in this phase you will be preparing the financial statements and assisting the audit, preparing tax returns, going to the income tax office, GST office for different work as per your organization. And you will be expected to apply the theoretical knowledge that you have studied till now into the practical world. So I remember when I had to deal with the terms and concept I only read about in the books into the practical world for computations, compliances, audit procedures, etc. It was altogether overwhelming. It sounds really exciting that you have to work like a professional chartered accountant, but it sometimes gets very overwhelming that you are altogether expected to work like a chartered accountant. In fact, you will be a chartered accountant soon, but it gets little overwhelming. Like you are expected so quickly that you will be working responsibly. So I would really suggest that you should work responsibly and you should take responsibility, because आपके पास जब आप इनिशियली आर्टिकलशिप ज्वाइन करते हो तो आपको एज अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट वर्क करना है, लेकिन आप चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट अभी है नहीं, तो आप उस रिस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं होंगे, बट आपको ऐसी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेके वर्क करना चाहिए कि आप भी कल को उस पोजीशन में होंगे एंड आपके पास भी आर्टिकल्स होंगे इफ़ यू आर लाइक इन टू प्रैक्टिस. एंड सी वी ये फेज जो होता है, इट इज़ मोर अबाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट इट इज़ टू बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल, हाउ important it is to understand the work done by the chartered accountant, how important it is to respect the chartered accountants and the work done by them. So initially you will feel like you are drowning into the technicalities, but don't panic. I would just say act responsibly. You will have your mentors and seniors to guide you, and you will learn how to apply the theoretical knowledge into the practical world. So yeah, is gaining independence. So during this phase you are not just an observer but the part of the team. You will be sometimes leading the team for like client communication, financial reporting, audit planning, and many other tasks. And you will be like under minimal supervision, like you will always have a hand over you of your engagement partner, manager, or whatever the case may be as per the organization. But you will be like always expected to act as a professional, because this is the transition phase from a trainee to a professional. And I would just like to add that during this phase you will learn time management and prioritizing the task, because you will be struggling with a lot of things in your mind, like office work, the work pressure, like studies and the personal life and everything you will be like balancing. So you will be learning how to manage all of it during this phase of articleship. So the next phase of articleship is phase 4, that is handling multiple clients and high pressure tasks. So in this phase of articleship, now that you have worked with the organization for a while now, you will be expected to work on different clients altogether. Like on some days you will be working on a client, and then there may be some like मतलब आपको कोई डॉक्यूमेंट चाहिए उनसे, तो यू विल बी वेटिंग फॉर दैट डॉक्यूमेंट, एंड देन यू विल सेट असाइड दैट वर्क एंड यू विल स्विच टू अनदर ऑडिट, like okay, let's just complete this then, till then. So like it would be multiple tasks altogether, and sometimes you will see the work life balance is slipping, but you will figure it out, and you have to figure it out by yourself, that how you would manage the client expectations, the office work, and the work you are expected to do, and obviously your studies and your personal life and everything. And it is that you have to take it all together and move ahead in your career. And yes, also I would like to add that in this phase you will learn how to manage the stress and deal with the client, and obviously deliver the quality work on time, and manage everything. So yeah, if someone is in this phase, then hats off, you are doing good. And if no one told you, you are doing very good, and we are proud of you. So the next phase of articleship is phase 5, that is becoming a specialist or expertise in a particular field. So now that we have worked for like while now with the organization, we find out our specialized field. That is, it can be auditing, taxation, advisory, or like we choose from the work done in for so long, and we become the go-to person for that work. Like okay, if I have a query during my accounting or auditing, I have to approach this person. If I have a query in taxation computations, I have to approach this person. So you become approachable, and you contribute to the firm in a meaningful way, because till now you were just learning, and you were just seeing how things are working out, but now you actually do it for the clients and you actually work for the firm. As of articleship, you also train your juniors sometimes, and you will be acting as a mentor for your juniors, because they will be looking up to you on how you work. And I would just like to add that when we join the articleship, we generally observe our seniors on how they work and how they do everything. But I would just like to say that you don't have to be like them. You just observe, and you don't have to lose who you are, and you have to be you. And that's where you can connect more with the people in the organization, because if you try to be like someone else, then you cannot do anything, because it is just such a small phase of time. I think you should act who you are, and you should like be who you are, and connect with the seniors as much as you can. So yeah. Next phase of articleship is preparing for exams and the last minute hurdles. So by this time you will have your CA final studies, and you will be completing your classes for different subjects, and you will be expected by the organization to like train the juniors, not like you have to stand over their head and like make them do the work. No, you will be the go-to person. Like if the organization has trained you for certain time, they would expect you to deliver the major part to the juniors. And like if you are unable to deliver, the managers are always there. But when you go out on an audit as a team, you will be expected to lead, and if you are like stuck in your head and your studies, you will not be able to like fulfill the commitments. So in this phase you are stuck in two major commitments, that is the office work and the CA final studies. So I would just like to say that stay dedicated, disciplined, and stay consistent, and finish your classes and come. I would just like to add that you have come so far, then you should stand strong, and never self doubt yourself, and never have a second thought that you can't do it, because I know uh, all of us can do it. We have come so far, and we have to work for CA finals. We cannot back out without giving the exams, and you know I think you get it. So this seventh phase of articleship is transition to post articleship, that it will be all about goodbyes, and during your articleship you have gained so much knowledge, technical knowledge, that you will be using in the professional world, and this is like the next beginning of the next chapter of your life. And somewhere we feel that during our articleship generally we don't connect with people. We feel that okay, we are here for 2 years, but in some organizations people really connect and they stay connected even after the articleship completes. So it gets really tough for them to like move out of that world, of that comfort area. So this is all about this phase, and it is more about the networks that you have built in this phase of in this entire phase of articleship. So it is the time to say goodbye and start the new phase of your life, that is post qualification. Now you will be giving your exams and you will soon be a chartered accountant. So yeah, that's it for this video. These are the 7 phases of articleship. Do let me know if I missed on any point in the articleship journey, and also you feel free to share your articleship experiences, challenges, or anything you feel like the other person should know. And just remember, every phase has its own challenges, its own growth, learnings, and yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found this video relevant, and if you do relate to any of the points, then do hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and comment down anything from your CA journey that any of us could relate to, and also comment if I missed on any point of the articleship journey. And also stay tuned for more such videos on my channel, and till then, keep growing, keep learning, and good luck for your CA journey. And if no one told you today, I'm very proud of you, and you are doing great in your career, and that's what we always want to hear. So yeah, bye.